Brian Sensei here. Have you ever been in a situation where you can't find a file on your OneDrive because maybe you accidentally deleted it? Or maybe it's a shared folder in your OneDrive and one of your colleagues accidentally deleted a file. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore files that were deleted from a Microsoft 365 OneDrive. If you are using the OneDrive desktop app, notice here I have my personal OneDrive folder here in my file browser. Down here at the bottom right in the system tray, I am running the OneDrive Sync app. So if you deleted a file here from your file browser on the desktop, first thing you'll want to do is check the recycle bin here on your desktop. Open it up and look for the document here. If it's the file you need, go ahead and check the box or right click and select Restore. All right, that file is now back in its original location within your OneDrive folder. Now, if you don't see it here on the recycle bin on the desktop, navigate to Microsoft 365 Home on the web, also known as office.com. Once here, you're going to navigate to your OneDrive app online. Then on the left, look for Recycle Bin. We'll click here and see if the contents exist. And yes, here I was looking for a PowerPoint. I must have deleted this on OneDrive in the browser. So it is located in the recycle bin in the browser here. Again, I can right click on it and select Restore. Now, a third location that you can check out is OneDrive Restore. To do this, go to the far right in the OneDrive online app, click on the gear icon at the top, then click on Settings. All right, in here, you're going to look for Restore Your OneDrive. All right, the next thing you'll do is select a date. And you can choose yesterday, 1 week ago, 3 weeks ago, or a custom date and time. Let's go to custom. Now here you're going to see a slider and it's currently set to 0, so 0 days. And so if you want to restore your OneDrive for a custom amount of days going back, you can go all the way back to 29 days ago. Simply click on the slider and drag it to the desired number of days, and it will automatically begin restoring those files. All right, and that is how you can restore deleted OneDrive files. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.